So till now we have discussed about the conversion of NFA having null moves to a NFA that will have no null move. That means we have converted NFA to NFA only. But now we have to convert a NFA having null moves to a equivalent DFA. That means non-deterministic finite automata with null moves to its equivalent deterministic finite automata. Now it is the property of deterministic finite automata that it cannot go to more than one state on one input symbol. Like NFA can go to many states on application of one input symbol only. Say Q0 can go to many states on application of A input only. So we have to convert that NFA to DFA. That means we don't want that one state should go to other states on application of one input symbol. It should go to only one specific state. So come, let's begin it, how to solve this. So till now we have studied how to convert a NFA with null moves to a NFA without null moves. Now if a question arises, given a NFA with null move, convert it into equivalent DFA. How will you do that? You have learnt conversion of null NFA, or in some books it is written as epsilon NFA also, because epsilon is also used to denote null. You have to convert this to NFA. This much you have learned. Now how will you convert a null NFA to a DFA? So for that, first step will remain same, that you will convert this null NFA to NFA. This will be a non-deterministic finite automata obviously. Then you will convert this NFA to DFA. How will you convert this NFA to DFA? I have already explained you. I think it was very much starting of the course of theory of computation, that how we convert NFA to DFA. So you can watch that video. For that video, please go to my channel homepage, scroll the playlist, and in the playlist find the playlist of theory of computation, and in the starting of that playlist, only around in the first 10 or 12 videos, you will find conversion of NFA to DFA, or it is also called equivalence of NFA and DFA. Study this conversion of NFA to DFA from there, and this will be the step 2. So first step will remain same, null NFA to NFA, and then NFA to DFA. I have also given the link of this conversion of NFA to DFA in the description of the video, as well as it is flashing in the above right corner of the screen. You can directly watch it from there. So I hope if a question like this arises, you will not be panic and just do the same. So I hope it is clear to you. So after watching the video, for which I have given link in this video, if you are satisfied with the concept of conversion of null NFA to NFA, and then according to the links video, if you are satisfied from conversion of NFA to DFA, then you can easily convert a null NFA to a DFA. I hope this conversion is clear to you. So if you still have any doubts, you can just drop an email at the email address that is mentioned in the description of the video. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button also, and if you liked our video, please hit the like button as well as share it with your friends. Thank you.